Now if they crap on you, it's good luck for your birthday. Don't throw it at them. He's like, I'm out of here. Look at him. I don't think he likes it. Oh my God, look at him. Come, let's go back over there with Daddy. Come on. Where are you going? Come. To the birdies? Give them your bread, Jeremiah. Share your bread.
Yeah, the pigeons can't eat nothing.
Here, let me get your bread so you can share. Oh, what'd you do that for? Oh my God, he's eating my sand! Jeremiah! You can't. You eating. He want a real sandwich, right? That tastes good? Hmm? No, no, no.
What did he just do?
He put the whole bread and the sand in his mouth. Come on.